Take command of the road in the 2014 Jeep Patriot. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as leather upholstery, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, a roof rack, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.